received notice from Governor Wolf's office and are cleared to reopen our operation. My decision is to do so beginning Monday, March 30th, 2020. This is an unprecedented time that we are living in. It is critical that all business owners and all employees across our Commonwealth and across the United States adhere to strict social distancing measures. This is the only way that COVID-19 can be mitigated. On Monday, March 30th, 2020, when we reopen, strict social distancing guidelines will be in effect. Our updated policy will be published on our website, www.rollrock.com. Our sales, customer service staff, accounts receivable, accounts payable departments, quarry operations, human resources, and all our staff will be affected by this updated operational policy. Our entire staff has been fully trained and is ready to cooperate with our new procedures. We will be counting on every one of you, our customers and associates in this industry, to abide by these new operational guidelines as they are outlined. Any customer, truck driver, or visitor that does not apply our new guidelines will be respectfully asked to leave. Our sales and customer service staff has been on duty this entire time. We will continue to be here to talk to you personally, answer all questions, and take the time necessary to guide you through our refined order processing, shipping, and receiving policies, and all the new procedures. In some cases, these new procedures may seem confusing to you because you are accustomed to showing up unannounced. While this is currently not possible, it is best for my employees, you personally, and our entire community if we all work together. I personally wish to thank all of you, as well as my staff that has worked tirelessly during this very difficult time. The team effort that everyone has expressed this past week has been nothing short of tremendous. Remember, it is you and I cooperating that can keep all of us safe. Social distancing and personally respecting another's space and concern is what will allow us all to manage what has been ongoing in Pennsylvania and around the world. If we adopt this attitude, this adjusted way of thinking, we can in a united way defeat COVID-19. Thank you.